Hey guys, welcome back. John here. In today's video, I'm going to show you what's inside my $700 Robinhood portfolio. Now, this is a great series. I always get a lot of great comments, a lot of great views, a lot of great feedback from this. And it's not because I'm bragging or trying to show you guys how much money I have in my account. It's basically to show you guys how simple $5 can get you if you invest it per month. Even if you put $1, $10, how small, tiny increments of money over time can build up to, a pretty decent account for some, or some people might think that it's a small account. But anyways, nonetheless, there's a lot of great companies that you can buy for less than $10, less than $20, and that's why I started this. So stay tuned. We're going to go over my portfolio right now. Now, as you can see, I'm up $5.51 or 0.78% for the day, and for the year, guys, I'm up 23%. That's $133.67. Now, for a lot of traditional banks and different investment accounts, bank's average is no more than 1%. They've recently came out with credit cards and different accounts where you can get 3%, and the annual average for the stock market is around 8%. Fund rise is around 9.11%, and for myself, I'm averaging around 18 to 30% per year right now. Now that's amazing, guys, and let me show you why. Now, most of the companies I invest in are monthly paying stocks that pay dividends. Now, a lot of these are REITs, and they are really great companies to own. Now, as you can see, you already see a few here: CHK, Chesapeake Energy; GPRO, which is GoPro; FIT, which is Fitbit; SNAP, which is Snap Fitness; F or Ford; GLAD or Gladstone Corp; GAIN, another Gladstone Corp company; CHY, which is Calamus Convertible High Yield; TWO, APLT, Apple Hospitality REIT; NRZ, New Residential Investments; LADR, AGNC, UMPQ, STWD, I believe that's Starwood; PTLA, T, STOR, IRM or Iron Mountain; MAIN or Main Street Capital; MU, Micron Technology; PFE, Pfizer; GIS, ATVI or Activision; HIG, and O. Anyways, that's what I have right now in my portfolio, and these are a few stocks I have in my watch list. If you guys are interested: Morgan Stanley, BIP. I have a few other companies like Coca-Cola, Wells Fargo, a couple of mutual funds in here, AbbVie, Abbott Technology, CNI, VIG, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, Illinois Toolworks, Verizon, Cummins, Apple, Triple M, and Berkshire Hathaway Stock B, and VOO. Now, if you guys want to sign up for this cool app, you most certainly can. Now, I have a link below this video where you could sign up for free. It just takes your email address and very simple steps to sign up. Now, it's a really cool app, zero commission trading, and guess what, guys? Your first free share comes when you sign up almost instantly. Sometimes it might take up to a couple hours, but for the most part, it's always instant. One of my top shares was $179, and it was a share of Facebook. It was really cool. It's super easy, and then you can start getting your friends to sign up with the Robinhood app with your own personal referral link. You just tell your friends about it, send them a link, they'll sign up, you'll get a free share. I got over 40 free shares already. Now, a lot of people like to see a breakdown of my equity. Here it is real quick briefly before I end the video. Realty Income is my highest holding right now, and then Gladstone Investments with 5 shares, Hartford Financial, General Mills, Activision Blizzard, Pfizer, Micron Technology, Main Street Capital, Iron Mountain, Store Capital, AT&T, Portola Pharmaceuticals, Ford, Starwood Property Trust, Umpqua, AG&C Investments, Ladder Capital, Gladstone Capital, New Residential Investments, Apple Hospitality REIT, Two Harbor Investments, Calamos Convertible and High Yield, and Snap, Fitbit, GoPro, and Chesapeake Energy would be the last of my equity and holdings. Now, total of $712.05, buying power of $2.20, and a withdrawable cash amount of $2.20, which could be the dividends that were paid out to me in January. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, show you an insight of what's in my account, and if you guys liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, guys, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.